What do you take on a trip? Well, this is what I'm taking, and I'm putting it in my bag that I'm going to carry on. So I couldn't bring scissors, just in case. You just never know. So I've got some fabric here. I've got some silk and wool and weird stuff and some scraps. And then I've got some paper, and I've got linens. And then I've got my little, this is that, got a little cutting thing on it. So I can, that's a poke, that I actually could poke stuff down in, but this side is the one. Little cutter. I don't think they'll confiscate that. I've gotten away with bringing a pair of little scissors, but I'm just not taking a chance. I've got a little bead here. I've got some twine, and then I've just got a whole little mishmash of different threads, all different kinds of thread. And that's it. That's all I'm taking. My needle roll is the key. And and I figure I'm going to incorporate things along the way, our travels. So I'm planning to go to a market I think it's in Copenhagen, it's known for, and see if I find anything there. If there are little things like a matchbook or I don't know, something, I can add it. I can add paper. I can add anything. So that's my plan for this trip. And I put the whole thing in a Ziploc bag. Carry it on. Happy travels.